All right, guys, and we are getting close to the end of our range. So this is the first time we've had a chance to take the Jeep from fully charged this morning and then kind of drive it around throughout the day. And we're just using the trip odometer, and we've got what, like 1% right now?
Yep.
And how many miles is that saying we've gone so far?
19.5.
So 19.5. So yeah, I'm still waiting for it to actually switch, and once it switches, that's when you know it's completely out. So just check in here in a second. So it looks like we're going to get at least 20, if not a little bit more. So we're located in Metro Detroit. It's pretty flat around here, not many hills, and this driving has just been kind of a mix of city and then maybe like 40 to 50 mile an hour. So no expressway or anything like that. So I'm just trying to hold it here for a minute just to see if it switches for us. And now we've probably got some regenerative braking going on, so that might not help us, but will give us a little bit longer. All right, so we just switched over and we got 20.5, is that what it says?
Mm-hmm.
So 20.5, so almost matching what the EPA estimates are of 21 miles, and that's with 35s, so not too bad.